Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Beautiful image here on my screen by Andrea Rose at Sweet Dreams Photography. Beautiful tree farm image, and this is a winter shot. So let's make it look a little bit more wintry, just using Evoto and the Winter Kiss presets. So I'm going to click down into the full because we want to go full winter with this one. Go big or go home. So I'm going to click on tree farm. There are kind of two options for your tree farm images or your forest images. I mean, you can try all of the presets, but specifically you have tree farm, which is going to give the tree farm that cold winter look, or pine. Pine is great for forest and things, and it's going to make the trees look snowy. So that's pine, and you can see it's almost like there is snow on the trees and frost on the ground just in a click. But I think for this one, let's go tree farm. And let's keep it a little bit more within the kind of the vibe of the tree farm vibe. I'm going to come down. Oh, what did I do there? I'm going to come down to the sky and cloud section. And let's go for a sky. So we've got after snow, starry snow, winter farm. Winter farm will work. And you can see because Evoto's AI, it's trying to figure out where it needs to go. There is a large highlight here, and it's kind of adding part of Dad's head in from the sky. But this is an easy fix. You go on the background section, you scroll down to sky replacement. Here you can play with the opacity of the sky that's been added in. You can click the pencil and you have add to the mask or to erase from the mask. So we're going to add to the mask with the low opacity. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's make this brush a bit smaller, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to manually paint back in there, and everywhere where it's kind of pink is going to be where this sky overlay shows. Now because with the sky overlay has got a lower opacity, I'm just going to take the opacity down a little bit on the brush, make it soft and big, just so we can kind of blend this sky in a bit more now. We don't want do that. I don't want it going onto those branches really. And okay, and when that's done now, it's kind of added that sky properly around Dad's head. And you know, you can play with these a little bit. The presets, they work great, but you can of course go in and tweak. On the My Backdrop section with these presets, you also get bonus free snow overlays for Evoto. So that's just added a little bit of snow into the scene. So we have a before and after using the presets. Thank you, Andrea, for sending this gorgeous image in, and I hope you like the before and after edit. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.